Hey, good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops here with Midwest Market Solutions. This is Market Insider TV. This is our opening commentary, and it's Thursday morning. It's May the 1st. Good morning. Hope your day is off to a great start. Thursdays, always busy mornings as we have export sales, we have jobless claims numbers, and just a lot of things happening. So hope your day is going well. I'll be doing RFD TV this morning, 8:15 Central Time, as well as tomorrow morning. We'll be talking both mornings about the markets and how we expect markets to trade, what the market is going to be focused on, and what direction we think we're headed. So I hope you have a chance to tune in for those appearances. We will be posting links out later this afternoon or this evening when we receive them of the appearance, and that we kind of have a chance to review of what was said and if anything made any sense at all. So let's talk. We had export sales this morning, as I mentioned. Let's talk about that here as well. So overnight markets, first check, dollar's a little bit firmer in here. Crude oil is down fairly sharply, but it is pairing losses from the overnight. Nat gas up a little bit again. Stock market continues to push higher. It was stronger late in the session yesterday and rallied sharply in the overnight. Our theory has been if the stock market has bottomed and wants to rally, gold is going to be pressured. And we're seeing $83 losses here this morning in the gold. Silver would follow, as gold was that safe haven where people flocked to put their money. When the stock market was going down, they pulled the money out of the stock market and into gold. And it's the opposite now. When the stock market rallies, we're seeing gold retreat. Corn, 2 3/4 higher. New crop up 2 1/4. July and November beans fractionally higher. And the wheat fractionally higher as well. Oats is down 6.5 cents in light volume trade. So let's get into it here. Talk about the markets. Make sure you follow us on Twitter and check out our website where you can sign up for our daily newsletters. Our YouTube video series will send out opening and closing commentary as well as any other videos that we post, and sign up for our text service as well. All right, let's talk more about these markets in here. The growing conditions, really ideal, I think, for most of the country for newly seeded corn and soybeans. Certainly there's some areas that have experienced some flooding, maybe some areas even too dry, but for the most part, good growing conditions here for corn and soybeans. Winter wheat conditions excellent, as we're seeing a lot of rain in the southern plains, and those ratings I think will improve again on Monday after this week's rain events in the winter wheat belt. Deliveries against the May grain futures starting to slow down already. They weren't very big to begin with. 563 meal, 164 oil, 249 hard red wheat, 80 Chicago, 0 oats, only 3 soybeans, same as the other day, and only 25 contracts of corn. Census crush report comes out this afternoon. That's at 2 o'clock Central Time. Trade will be looking for the crush at 205.9 million bushels. That would be up slightly from last year's 203.5. And oil stocks would be down sharply despite us crushing more, which I think may not make a lot of sense. Corn for ethanol usage at 460 million bushels versus 472 a year ago. We had export sales out this morning, and they were okay. Old crop wheat at 2.7 with new crop at 8.8. Our inspections have been very strong, but our sales are just average at this point for wheat. Corn was decent at 39.9, and soybeans decent as well at 15.7. We've seen a slowdown from a seasonal standpoint, but yet we've not fallen off the cliff. We've not seen negative exports other than just a few cancellations, but we have seen a seasonal slowdown, which is expected for our corn and soybean sales. Cash cattle trade starting to develop. I thought we'd see very late weeks type standoff this week. We saw cash trade in the north, 222 live and 350 dress, $5 on a live basis. And in the south, we saw trade 218 live. That's $6 better than the prior week. And we should see, I think, some hedge lifting off the bat here in the cattle complex to give us a rally to start the morning. I'm looking at bid-ask right now. It's kind of a mixed bid-ask type trade, so plenty of time for that buying to surface, but should see some strength, I would think, on the opening off of this news. Beef sales were 12.9 million tons with shipment of 15.8, and pork 34.5 million tons, shipments at 25.8. That's a pretty decent number. We had marking year lows last week, but we rebounded this week with some decent pork sales. And need a reason for the pork market lean hogs to rally, and we may have found a little bit of that reason here this morning. Cattle carcass weights be out later this morning. We'll update those as well as any other information that becomes available. Have a great day and good luck and good trading. We'll talk to you again soon. This has been Brian Hoops with Midwest Markets.